Hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. So here on the SUI chart, we're pushing higher, and I have already communicated it earlier today in our membership that I'm starting to assume that the orange scenario here is taking the lead. So we're going higher more directly and might not get this nice pullback in wave 2. That's based on observations I've made on the smallest time frames. So again, I could be wrong about that. The yellow scenario remains relevant for now, which would become the preferred scenario again if we get a deeper pullback. But for now, it seems like it wants to take the direct pathway higher here to complete this fifth wave in a straight line. Yeah, okay, not in a straight line, not really like that. But overall, these are the two bullish scenarios we are tracking. We will ignore the white scenario for now. That's the bearish one. That's not preferred at this point, not as long as all support levels are holding. Yeah. Overall, as you know, if you followed previous updates, then you know that I'm looking for a rally towards the blue box, yeah, $7.35 plus. The question was only, do we get this done in a nicely and well-defined yellow colored 5-wave pattern like this to complete wave 5 of C, or does the market take the direct path, which can sometimes happen, like a last euphoria stage in a bull market? And I think it might take the direct path. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 could still be unfolding actually. Then wave 4, then wave 5. We're going to take a look at the smaller time frame structures as well. But yeah, I think we might take the direct pathway higher. Based on what I can see, what I do ignore on this chart is this wick to the downside that we saw, because it's only visible on the Binance chart and it doesn't feel right. It doesn't look right. And on the smaller time frame, it was just basically, probably a glitch on the exchange. So overall, the direct pathway higher seems to take the lead. Let's go to the smaller time frame, but that doesn't change the overall idea anyway. It was the alternative before. It becomes more probable with what I see right now. As I said, I could be wrong about it. It's not confirmed yet. We need a break above the May high for that. A break above the $4.27 level. Yeah. So while we were looking for higher prices in both scenarios, I was actually watching for a bit more of a convincing pullback. Okay. But that doesn't seem to happen. And again, it's always a balance between let's say, how should I say, making one scenario the preferred one too early, but it's kind of a bit of a balance. We don't want to do that too early, but at the same time, I have to be early, because if I see microstructures change and then wait too long, the market might already be gone. So that's the benefit of our gold membership. Basically, you get notified pretty much instantly if you watch the video in a few hours. When the crypto market is gone, it's gone. So what is this orange count? So in this orange scenario, we can move higher more directly, but this scenario remains only valid as long as the swing low from Monday is holding. So you have a very, very clear level for risk management. That's at $3.57. This low must hold. As I said, we are ignoring this downside candle there. Upside momentum seems to continue. Bitcoin is in all-time high territory. And what would be the next key resistance? Well, the next resistance level, I zoom out a little bit, is located at $5.57. That's larger degree Fibonacci resistance. Yeah. Let's zoom in again. So not sure if we get there already in circle wave 3 here. But yeah, for now, we are watching for higher prices against the swing low from Monday. We are still broadly in a range here, so things can still easily change. And I can tell you that if we get a break below the red line at $3.57, $3.58, then the focus will shift to this support area between $2.09 and $3.03 for a larger degree wave 2. Which could then play out as an ABC structure. But for now, I've removed the microstructure for it until we get, let's say, a slowdown in upside momentum. That's the update on SUI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.